Hello everyone. So today I have a request from a friend. First we're going to get this pan going. He wanted to know how to make German hamburger gravy. Threw me through a loop. I'm like, what the heck is German hamburger gravy? Oh, it's hamburger gravy. No matter what nationality you are, it's all pretty much the same. So here's what you're going to need, Drew. Drew is my friend. This is from Gary's Meat Market, but good quality hamburger. It could be cheap. Back in the day, they didn't have the hamburgers like in the store now. So that's probably one of the things that will make it different, is the quality of the meat. So hamburger, I've got onion that I got diced up, one small little onion. You're going to need flour, about 1/3 cup, a couple tablespoons of butter, some half and half, not milk, because back in the day, the milk wasn't as pasteurized as it is nowadays. You can use milk, it just won't be as rich flavor tasting. Some salt, some pepper, and seasoned salt, because back where up in Canada, I'm not sure if Canada people use seasoned salt like us Michiganders do or not. So let's get this going. First off, we're gonna break that up a little. Throw that in the pan, get that browned. And you don't throw the onion in. This is the trick that my mom had always done. Now, I haven't made hamburger gravy since my kids were little. And this is what I had learned the trick was. You don't add the onion in until after the hamburger is slightly browned. I think it's the texture reason, I'm not positive. I normally would have threw everything in at once. So you break your hamburger up in small pieces. You know all that. He's actually a cook, but yeah. He just got thrown off sidetracked because of the name of the stuff. This is kosher salt. Couple pincher. Black ground pepper, or you can use fresh ground. Hamburger, beef and pepper are friends. Just saying. If you don't like the black pepper, there's white pepper that's actually sweeter, but you do need the pepper in there to help make the flavor. Okay, so once this is done and brown, I'll come back, see it better. You see how it's just a little pink? That's all right, because now we're going to cook the onions in with it. And you cannot get rid of that grease, because that grease is what's going to make your gravy. Now I have decided to take a cup of the whole milk to add in with the half and half. Because if you would mix those two together back in the day, that would be how rich the milk would be. Just saying, we lived on a farm. I miss those days. So like I said, this is a medium, well actually a small onion that I diced with my Tupperware chopper, Chef Pro chopper. I love this. And if you want, you could add garlic in here, but we're trying to do it like how they did back in the day. They didn't throw garlic and everything. A lot of times they might have thrown a little thyme in there, so I might just do that. But I remember my mom doing that. But I'm not going to, not this batch. And see how fast, once you mix that onion, how fast that onion cooks up with that? Alright. Now we're going to take our butter. We need a little bit of butter. Everything's better with butter. Should have peeled it better. Huh? Start tossing butter in there. A think this is why you might not have gotten the results that you wanted because you forgot to put the butter in it. Butter just makes it more of a silky gravy, I believe, in my opinion. Everybody else might have a different opinion. I'm going to add a little bit of that seasoned salt to the mix now. That's going to help with the color and the flavor. So once this butter is melted, we're going to start making our roux. So like I said, I got that flour there. It's a real fast dinner. And now he remembers that on their birthdays, mom, grandma, or mom, or one of them would cook it with hash browns. You can cook it with hash browns, toast, whatever you want. So I have a tablespoon here and some flour. I like using a strainer. And I think we're going to put in, because it just coats your meat better. And I like doing it a tablespoon at a time. Because sometimes if you throw in a third cup of flour, guess what? You might not have needed it because the hamburger wasn't that, didn't have that much grease to it. No matter what you do, cook off that flour. And you want a nice thick hamburger or gravy, so you're gonna, and this is what's making the flavor right now. You can add a little bit of beef stock to this, if you had some. But again, we're doing it like how the old folks used to do it. And they would add bacon grease in with it if they wanted to. I'm thinking, because see, it's not very shiny, but only in some spots. Shiny, I mean, where you can see, it should all look really nice and dull. I think one more tablespoon of flour. And these are heaping tablespoons, see? So it's probably about 4 tablespoons total, I would bet. See how much nicer it is when you use the strainer? It just coats everything so much nicer. And I think that's going to be enough flour. Smells good already. You want to cook that flour off. If you don't cook that flour, oh, it's not going to taste pretty. I'm just saying. And this is cooked down on high heat in a non-stick pan. Alright. Put that over there. Blocking your light. Can you see everything good? Now I don't see no shiny in there. So I think it's good enough now to start adding, like I said, I got a cup of milk. And I'm going to add that to the mix. And that's whole milk. It's almost like making sausage gravy, except you're using your hamburger. Now let's add some more half and half to this. I'll use the measuring cup so we can kind of see how much you think, but it's all towards the appearance, really, not by, don't go by, oh, Angie put in 2 cups. Well, your batch might not need 2 cups, or, you know what I mean? And people call this shit on the shingle. That is not shit on the shingle. Shit on the shingle is dried beef. And you would make it like this. You want it to where your gravy is loose enough, but not too loose. How pretty that looks. Like I said, you can put this over anything you want, and it'll be perfect. To mix it with the noodles, you would want it a looser consistency. I've done that before. And that, my friends, is how you make hamburger gravy, German gravy, hamburger gravy. Unless I got some Germans out there that knows a different technique, I am going to add just a little bit more half and half. The half and half is such a rich cream that it's going to really make this wonderful. I didn't even need a whisk, just your wood spoon, because it's a non-stick container. Okay, see how that's coming apart like that? That's what you want. Or you can pull it. You can put the rest of that half and half in there. So, what was that? About 3 cups. 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of half and half. Yeah, that looks pretty. There we go. That, my friend, is how you make it. I hope this video helps other people, too, that are curious on this. This is a great meal. Like I said, make some biscuits and throw it on top of your biscuits, or mashed potatoes is the best. I'm going to store this and, well, not store it, put it in the fridge and see if my kids will remember it when they come visit me this weekend. Get some biscuits cooked up. Or for husband, I might make some mashed potatoes and have this for dinner tonight with the side of green beans or something. Of my canned green beans. Okay, see how it pulls apart and you can see the bottom of the pan? See that? Shut her down. Your gravy is done. Just that fast. Took 10 minutes. I started it at 11:26. It's now 11:36. Put your lid on. You can eat it right away. Or wait like I'm going to. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a great day. Bye.